In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add information about different companies in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through a simple process to create new company records, which Zoho calls accounts. This is essential if you want to keep your customer and prospect data organized, track interactions, and make sure your sales or support teams always know who they're dealing with. Let's start inside your Zoho CRM dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a row of main modules, such as leads, contacts, deals, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Accounts. This is where information about the companies you work with is stored, as opposed to individual people. Go ahead and click on the Accounts tab to open the Accounts module. Once you're in the Accounts module, you'll see a list of existing company records if you already have some in your system. To add a new company, look for the Add button, usually represented by a plus icon near the top right or top left of the page, depending on your layout. Click this plus icon to create a new account. This will open a form where you can enter all the details about the company. Now you're on the account creation page. Here, you'll need to fill in the key fields that describe the company. The most important one is the account name. This field is mandatory, and it should be the official name of the company, so it's easy to find later. Below that, you'll typically see fields for phone number, website, industry, and address. Take your time to add accurate information. Enter the main phone number the company uses, and if they have a website, type in the full URL so you can quickly access it from within the CRM. Choose the correct industry from the drop-down if one is available. This helps with reporting and segmentation later on. For the address, add as much detail as you have, such as street, city, state or region, postal code, and country. The more complete this is, the more useful your data will be. When you've finished entering the company details, review everything for spelling and accuracy. Once it looks good, scroll to the bottom or top of the form and click the Save button. Zoho CRM will create the new account record, and you'll be taken to its detail page, where you can later link contacts, deals, and activities to this company. That's all you need to do to add information about different companies in Zoho CRM.